Picture this. It's 1958. The world is buzzing with post-war optimism, rock and roll is on the radio, and science is making leaps in every direction. But in a quiet corner of a laboratory, something extraordinary is brewing. An idea that would challenge everything we thought we knew about vitamins. Scientists in crisp white coats, glass beakers bubbling, and a theory so wild it made the entire scientific community roll their eyes. Imagine the scene. Researchers huddled over their benches, the air thick with the smell of chemicals and the hum of anticipation. But one scientist in particular is about to shake things up. The idea that vitamin B1, yeah, the same stuff in your breakfast cereal, could do way more than just stop you from getting sick. It might actually turbocharge your brain and protect your neurons. This wasn't just about preventing a deficiency. It was about unlocking hidden potential in the human mind. Could a simple vitamin really be the secret to sharper thinking and a healthier brain? At the time, the scientific world wasn't having it. They called it crazy. The idea seemed to fly in the face of everything textbooks said about vitamins. After all, vitamins were supposed to prevent diseases, not make you smarter. They shrugged off the papers. Journals rejected the research, and colleagues dismissed the findings as wishful thinking. The mainstream scientific community just wasn't ready for such a radical shift. The poor guy who came up with it, he was basically ignored. Imagine dedicating your life to a discovery, only to have your peers turn their backs. It's a story as old as science itself. Brilliant minds ahead of their time, left waiting in the wings. But as science fans, you know how this goes. Sometimes the wildest theories just need a little time, or in this case, 65 years. Time has a way of revealing the truth, even if it takes decades. Fast forward through decades of skepticism, flip books, thick-rimmed glasses, and all. The world changed, technology advanced, but the theory sat quietly, waiting for its moment. We zoom through the 60s, the 70s, the 80s, and suddenly, we're in the modern era. Each decade brought new discoveries, but the vitamin B1 theory remained in the shadows, a footnote in scientific history. Now, labs are full of high-tech equipment, and scientists have brain scans and molecular animations at their fingertips. With tools that can peer into the very heart of our cells, researchers can finally test ideas that once seemed impossible. And what do they find? That old crazy idea? Turns out it was spot on. The evidence is undeniable. Vitamin B1 is far more important than anyone realized. New studies finally confirm vitamin B1 isn't just about preventing deficiency diseases like beriberi. It's a powerhouse nutrient, quietly supporting some of the most vital processes in your body. It's a key player in your brain's energy system, fueling neurons, protecting them from damage, and possibly even helping to shield your brain from diseases like Alzheimer's. Researchers are now exploring how B1 could slow cognitive decline, improve mental clarity, and even support emotional well-being. I know what you're thinking. Does this mean I need to chug vitamin B1 supplements every day? It's tempting to think there's a magic pill, but the story is a bit more nuanced. Not exactly. The real takeaway is that making sure you get enough B1 in your diet, think whole grains, pork, nuts, and seeds, could give you a legit brain boost. It's about balance, not excess. A healthy diet, rich in natural sources of B1, is the best way to support your mind and body. We're talking sharper focus, better memory, even improved mood and energy levels. Imagine waking up feeling more alert, tackling your day with a clear mind, and remembering names and details with ease. All thanks to a humble vitamin. All from a vitamin that was once laughed out of the lab. It's a reminder that sometimes the most powerful discoveries start as the most unlikely ideas. Here's a fun fact to chew on. The scientist who first proposed the idea never actually saw it proven. He passed away before the world caught up to his vision. But his legacy lives on in every new study and every healthy brain. But today, his so-called crazy theory is inspiring new research and helping people take brain health seriously all over the world. From Tokyo to Toronto, scientists are building on his work, searching for new ways to harness the power of B1. Science really does have the last laugh sometimes, doesn't it? The underdog idea, once dismissed, is now changing lives and rewriting textbooks. So, if you love stories where the underdog idea comes out on top, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and check out the next video. There's a whole universe of surprising science waiting to be discovered. I've got plenty more mind-blowing science tales where this one came from. From forgotten theories to breakthrough discoveries, we'll explore them all together. Stay curious and I'll see you in the next one.